Brightness is crafted for every smile. Even the tube begins as raw material. Packaging starts long before the paste. Liquid bases move under careful control. Smoothness begins filling the system. Color and opacity await their turn.
Packaging materials move into position.
All components gather for transformation. Now the process truly begins.
The heart of the factory awakens.
A controlled world built for precision.
Transcription. Ingredients weighed above the blend.
Protection demands careful handling. Every section connects with purpose. Preparation ensures perfection.
Formulas are locked into motion.
Abrasives enter with measured precision. Every grain is refined before use. Purity is protected at every step. Purity is protected at every step.
Liquids are polished to perfection. Sterility safeguards the blend.
Exact dosage defines protection.
Solids meet liquid under watchful control.
Air is drawn away for smoothness.
Verification begins before refinement. Freshness enters the blend.
Protection is woven into every layer.
Freshness enters the blend.
Protection is woven into every layer.
Whiteness becomes uniform. Power refines the texture. Stability secures smoothness.
Visual identity is crafted alongside function.
Controlled temperature preserves consistency. Verification precedes release. From paste to package, the next phase begins.
The formula takes its first final shape.
Function meets visual identity.
Precision is measured in grams.
Each tube is permanently secured.
Traceability is stamped into every unit. Clean edges complete the structure. Clean edges complete the structure. Closure ensures protection. Technology watches what eyes may miss. Order prepares them for presentation. The transformation nears completion. Every batch is recorded and traced. Texture is measured with precision.
Balance protects both teeth and formula.
Performance is proven under simulation.
Visual consistency is precisely matched. Durability withstands pressure. Stability is tested against time. Science grants its approval.
The batch is cleared for departure.
Packaging takes form with engineered precision.
Information travels with every tube.
Automation ensures flawless presentation. Order prepares them for shipment. Precision handles the final arrangement. Stability secures the finished product.
Every pallet carries its history. Human oversight confirms automation.
Stored goods return to motion.
You let your drain and did it down.
Transport meets precision.
The final journey is moments away.
Cases line up for the road ahead.
From factory floor to open road.
A system built on precision and control.